If you are in business, affiliate, and digital marketer, then our new software would be good for your lead generation. So let's start. Uh, you have to first download the software. So how you will get the software? Just go to automedia.in, then click on tools and DataSnatcher. Go to scroll down and download it. The software will download. Okay. No. Sometimes it will show something like that, virus, anything like that. You have to ignore it. Okay. So just wait for downloading. So file size of this tool is uh, 38.7 MB. So just click over here and so just copy this software. Okay. And second step is that you have to create a folder. So inside the folder, you have to paste. Suppose that I have many folders, just like now it's already okay. Suppose that I'm going to paste over here. Okay. Now, third step is that you just need to click two times. And now, sometimes come here because we are a non-publisher, and if we want to be a publisher, then we have to pay 300 or $400 every year. So leave it. Just click over more info and run anyway. Okay, and then the alert box will appear. Just click over next, then create desktop, next, install it. Okay, so after install, the software will start automatically. Okay, so just uh, now just finish it and it will appear. Okay, the demo of the software is not available because of some circumstances, because you have to add a multiple location. So demo is not allowed for that. Okay, suppose you want to extract email or mobile number, you can extract any of one of them. Okay, you can customize this software speed. You have multiple choices. If your laptop and system have a great good RAM, so you can go with fast. Otherwise, medium slow and too slow. If you have a 2 GB RAM, then slow is good for you. Okay, now first of all, if suppose that I have to connect what um, marketing agency all over India. Okay, so I will write here. Okay, suppose that real estate agents, real estate agents. Okay, now you have to upload a location file. Okay, so you have to make a one txt file just like that. Delhi, Pune, Kolkata, Patna, Bihar, or you can add more places. Okay, like Hyderabad, or you can also add USA, UK. Okay, now you can add many other countries as well. Okay, now save, and name of this file is long text. Okay, now go to software, just click start process and put register for the contact. Okay, so you have I have to register first. Then I will click over here. I will put what with any @gmail.com, mobile number, our 96508 and reference ID should be 1234. Okay, now let's make click. When you alert, okay, you are registered successfully. Please activate your one. So give me 1 second. Let me activate this software. When you register, then a register button will go. Okay, so let's suppose I have to start email or mobile number. Okay, so let's say I have to start mobile number and I added real estate agent. Okay, now just click over there and add the file name text. Okay, and it will start automatically. Okay, if you want to do something like to do query, so we have a WhatsApp bulk sender tool. And second, I already made a video. In this video, I already showed that how to do email marketing query. Okay, so you can see that video as well. I already mentioned that URL of my video in what description box. So now you can see how it's works. Okay, my what main point is that in 1 day you can able to collect. If you are going to collect a mobile number only, then you can able to collect 10,000 numbers. Otherwise, if we are going to collect email IDs, so you will able to collect 15K. Okay, so that's a good tool for business development, what digital marketers and affiliate marketers. Okay, and either if you are in what a small business. Okay, so you can you can use free tools. Okay, like WhatsApp Center, and if you want to do email marketing, then I already made a video.